So, what I wanted to chat with you about and what you brought up was that Substack is aligned with a couple of TV networks. And tell me about that and tell me what you see the strategy is from your side of people either who are already on Substack and using streaming TV, or maybe people who have want to be on streaming TV and Substack could be a good pathway for them. I'd love to learn more about that.
Okay, so I'm going to give you my basic overall strategy, and I'm going to explain the way that we came to this point was that we were discussing that the misconception many people have about streaming TV is that streaming TV automatically becomes a, a search engine for you and guarantees views.
Hmm.
It's the thing that people see when they're just like, oh, I'm going to be on TV, so everybody's going to watch me. That does not happen. It's just like any other platform. You have to get in front of an audience. Substack provides this tool for you, and it also gives you a mechanism to create the videos that you could put on a streaming channel. Substack itself streams to Google TV and Apple TV, but you have to have Google TV ready TVs or Apple TV ready TVs in order to enjoy the Substack TV feature. So if you have a Substack account set up properly, and that's what we teach over in the U World Order community on school, um, you can go live over there, create your content, and be um, growing your subscriber base on Substack, which is free. And also, you can monetize it because they love it when you monetize stuff because they get paid. That's how they make their money. They don't have any advertising over there.
Yeah.
So you go live, you create your video content, and then you save it as a draft. Then you go back into the draft and you pretty it up and you make some long form printed content on there, a blog post, so to speak. And
Yeah.
you put some calls to action in there to subscribe or to buy your thing or to join your community or, whatever your next step is you want your audience to take. You've got to tell them where to do it. And then you and you put some images in it, and then you publish it. You set it to go out on whatever day it is that you are going to schedule to drop your episodes, because then you're also going to have a podcast section of your Substack. So
Okay.
so now you've got a video which will automatically post over to your YouTube channel for you, and it will create you shorts, long form shorts, or vertical shorts and horizontal shorts, landscape shorts. And you can make more or go with what they picked, and there'll be captions on them. And they will automatically post two of them over to LinkedIn if you connect your LinkedIn account. And then you can go back in, and in the sharing section, you can find the shorts, but you can also find images that they'll make off of your social media image that you chose for the post. And so now you have some long images that you can post on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and all the spaces. And then you still have your landscape image that you created for the post, and you can put that on LinkedIn and Facebook and all the other places. And so now you have all this content. And then where your streaming service comes in is that this becomes one more space that you can repurpose this content you've already created into
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
get even more exposure because you go into the Roku TV platform, which is like not available on Substack just yet.